Hi, everybody. My name is Micah Hovelman. I've been a master trainer and instructor on a multitude of military, law enforcement, and private security subject matter areas for over 25 years, and I've trained thousands of students both domestically and internationally. Now I'm in the process of developing a new online training course to teach private security officers the importance of proper equipment setup and how to develop a strong initial first impression. I'm developing this online course utilizing a new skills oriented learning platform called Skill Builder. Skill Builder was developed during COVID and is specialized in remote learning, but it teaches the class as if I am actually there teaching one on one. Now, we've all seen that security officer that just looks ragged and unprofessional with cheap equipment placed all over the place only because that officer has never been trained on how to set up his equipment properly and what that does for his command presence. This leads to all sorts of a multitude of problems. Number one, decreased command presence for the officer should he have to make contact with somebody. Secondly, poor representation of the company that he's working for to the client where he's working. Thirdly, should he need to access a piece of equipment quickly for any reason, he may not be able to get to it in time simply because it's not placed correctly. So, what we're going to cover in this class is number one, proper equipment selection to include mounting hardware. Number two, how to properly mount it to the officer's belt or vest or anywhere on the officer's person that's going to be authorized by the agency that he works for. And number two, in such a way that's going to increase the ability to access the equipment, enhance the officer's long term health and comfort, and then finally, to develop that command presence in such a way that's going to empower the officer to complete his job in a professional manner. This course is going to show exactly what to do in a step-by-step manner, but not just what to do, but what not to do as well. When this guide is followed, any officer should be able to be perfectly clear on how to adopt a proper command presence and have their gear set up properly in order to limit liability to themselves, the company that they work for, and finally the client that they represent. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the course.